Got dry, cracked skin? Glycerin to the rescue. Namaskar, I am Dr. Ipshita Johri, your friendly and trusted dermatologist from Skinfinity Derma, here to sprinkle some skincare magic into your day. Today, we are talking about an unsung hero in the world of beauty, glycerin. It's like that quiet, dependable friend who's always there to save the day. So what are the benefits of glycerin? Let's start with the juicy part. What makes glycerin so amazing? Well, it's a hydrating superhero. Think of it as a sponge for your skin and hair. It pulls moisture from the air and locks it in, leaving you with soft, plump skin and shiny, smooth hair. Dry, cracked skin happens when you lose moisture, leaving it feeling dry, rough, flaky, and sometimes even painful. Glycerin acts as a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into your skin. Applying glycerin, which is diluted with water or mixed into your moisturizers, creates a protective layer on your skin, helping it stay hydrated and heal faster. It's like giving your skin a big, refreshing glass of water. Chapped lips can make you feel uncomfortable and self-conscious. Glycerin is a lifesaver here because it not only hydrates your lips but also locks in moisture to prevent further dryness. Just apply a tiny amount of glycerin mixed with a drop of rose water before bedtime and you will wake up to soft, smooth lips. Bonus tip, it also helps with lip pigmentation over time. Frizz is often a result of your hair lacking moisture. Glycerin works wonders for hair by coating each strand and attracting water from the environment, which tames the frizz and adds a natural shine. To use dilute glycerin with water, a 1:5 ratio works well. Pour it into a spray bottle and mist it over your hair. It's a simple DIY leave-in conditioner that leaves your hair looking sleek and hydrated all day. These practical tips make glycerin a versatile go-to solution for common skin and hair issues. The best part, glycerin is gentle enough for almost everyone. Sensitive skin types, oily skin types, you name it. It's non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores. That's a win-win situation as it won't give you any acne. The correct way to use glycerin. Now let's talk about how to use this miracle liquid without turning it into a sticky mess. Glycerin is potent, so always dilute it with water, rose water, or mix it into your moisturizer or serum. For your hair, mix a few drops with water or aloe vera gel and use it as a leave-in conditioner. And please, don't overdo it. Using too much glycerin can leave you feeling like a glazed donut and not in a good way. Moderation is the key, folks. Myths about glycerin. Okay, now time for myths. Let's bust a few, shall we? Myth 1. Glycerin is only for dry skin. No, it's perfect for oily and acne-prone skin as well. It hydrates without clogging your pores. Myth number 2. Glycerin makes your skin darker. What? This one is a classic myth. Glycerin doesn't darken your skin. It actually helps brighten and smoothen it when used correctly. Myth number 3. Glycerin is outdated and there are better options available now. The truth is, while there are new fancy products on the market, glycerin has stood the test of time for a reason. It works. And many of the new ingredients have glycerin in it. Why you should love glycerin? Glycerin is effective, affordable, and widely available. Whether you are battling dryness, looking to enhance your skincare routine, or simply want a natural remedy, glycerin is the MVP you didn't know you needed. And here's a little fun fact. Cleopatra is rumored to have used glycerin like ingredients in her beauty routine. So if it's not good for the queen of the beauty, it's not good for us. And here's a little fun fact. That's all for today's session. Remember, while glycerin is a wonderful ingredient, it's always a good idea to test it first or consult your expert dermatologist before making it a part of your routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more skincare secrets. Got questions or topics you want me to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay hydrated inside and out. This is Dr. Ipshita Johri signing off. Namaskar.